The truth is that it's not about your wealth, it's not about your health, neither is it about freedom. It's about who you become. People always say you shouldn't focus on the negative, but isn't it about 90% of who we are? And if you want to get rid of that nature or that personality, you have to focus on it to dismantle it. You ask me, how do I do it? Well, the answer is simple. Just close your eyes for 20 minutes. You have to come up against the cravings of your body. How to do it? Let's start from the morning. Start working out in the morning, go for a run, or you can also meditate. Your body is adapted to the traffic, to the daily anger of being stuck in the traffic. You go against it. You don't want to be angry. You become conscious of your feelings, of who you are, what you do. Your body no longer acts subconsciously. You have control over what you do. What it does is, it makes you aware, which requires consciousness, and consciousness requires energy. And now, you have to raise your energy levels, or else your energy will be replenished, right? Once you start becoming conscious of these unconscious thoughts, you become more and more familiar with your own personality. Research also shows that before a thought enters your mind, you can sense it. That is where you can fire or wire new thoughts into your mind according to you. You can have a better control at what you think. You can start thinking to yourself, who am I gonna be when I open my eyes? How can I make a difference in this world today? How am I gonna serve someone? What do I really want to do today? Just thinking about it and practicing what you're going to do, practicing it in your mind. Your mind doesn't know the difference. Once your mind accepts it, your brain starts to structure your hardware according to how you would be when you would have actually done it. Now what happens is that the brain is no longer in the past. You start priming your brain. Your body will act accordingly. What will happen, you ask? You will start acting like a happy person. You will start acting like a successful person. Now let's talk about stress. What stress does is that it always tries to predict the future based on the past happenings. It takes different ways from all around you. It tries to concentrate on every single thing that is going around you. Let's do a task. Try to close your eyes. Now you break contact with everything around you. Less information coming into the brain, less distraction. For more concentration, you can also try to use an earphone. Now what happens is that you are sitting down, you are not tasting, not smelling or feeling anything. Now your senses are not connected to your brain. What it means that now you are receiving less sensory information from your body. You are now less connected to the outer world and becoming more connected to the inner world. As time passes, you will start seeing images and symbols and various colors. Now you will start creating your own world. You will start dreaming, pretending. Now your body will oppose this to its fullest. You will want to drink that coffee, read those WhatsApp messages that you've been getting all this time. But you control your body and try to calm it for an hour. Battle your feelings. When you do this every day, that day I assure you, you will be more kind, more sure and more accurate in whatever you do. Because now you are not a part of the predicted future, neither are you dependent on the past. You are mastering your own time, because whatever you try to do is in the present. You use all your energy on the present. You have all your attention on the present. You are more awake than you normally are, and you will have a lot of energy to do all the things you want. As people start breaking through this and start entering this field of awareness, and then they are not putting their attention on their problems, their ex, their boss, their children, their WhatsApp or their Facebook. Now they are clear of everything in their mind. They don't have anything in their mind. And with this clear mind, when you focus on something, when you pay attention to something, you pay all your attention to it. It becomes the center of your thought, the center of your energy. Do you realize the power of it? Yes, in the beginning it will be difficult. But if you practice it every day, little by little by little, you will surely reach there. In a week's time, by doing it twice a day, you will start seeing the results. In your performances, in your behavior, in everything you do. Just like when you fall in love with someone, the nitric oxide causes the arteries to open up, and then your heart is filled with oxygen and blood and nutrients, and you start feeling overwhelmed. And when that happens, you experience a level of love that passes everything beyond understanding. Do you agree with this? Now just close your eyes. Disconnect from everything around. Disconnect from your body, from your schedule, from your social media. Just give yourself an hour or 30 minutes or 20 minutes, because when you start investing in yourself, you are investing in your future. And when you believe in yourself, you start believing in possibilities, and vice versa. When people have this uncompromising will, when you go for shopping or when you go for a workout with the same intensity, with the same passion, when the body goes like it's done, you ask yourself, is this all you got? Once you start doing this, you are more happy in everything you do, and you also start believing that you don't need people to keep you happy. You don't need people to keep you happy. Your happiness is no longer the outcome of someone else's deed. It is the outcome of your own energy. You start feeling better every day without anything outside of you. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so you can get an update every time I post a new video. Comment down what you think about this video so we can improve our content every time and bring you the best motivational and business content on YouTube. Until then, keep hustling my friends, keep working, don't stop. Thank you.